Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to update your Xiaomi Pad 6 from MIUI 14 to HyperOS. This update brings a lot of cool features and makes our tablet even better. So in order to do that, let's click Settings, find your About tablet. We've got our MIUI 14, alright. So press Update, wait your device to update. Also, please make note that size of the update is nearly 5 GB, so it will take some time, but when you're ready, simply press Download Update and your update is getting downloaded. Easy as that. Make sure that you have enough free space and that the tablet is fully charged and it won't turn off mid-update. Okay, so your update has downloaded. It started updating. It may take some time. After the update will finish, your device will reboot with the new Xiaomi HyperOS. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.